Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Lexus ES 350. 2010 Lexus ES 350, power meets luxury, ready for the road ahead. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 85,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Feast your eyes on the stunning 2010 Lexus ES 350. Powered by a 3.5L V6 engine delivering 272 horsepower and 254 pound-feet of torque, this beauty is ready to impress. With a sleek silver exterior and luxurious light gray leather interior, heads will turn wherever you go. This Lexus is packed with premium features like a power moonroof, heated and ventilated front seats, and a Symphony quality premium sound system. With under 85,000 miles and averaging less than 6,000 miles per year, it offers an impressive 19 mpg city and 27 mpg highway. In excellent condition with a clean Carfax, this ES 350 is ready for you. Don't miss your chance to own this perfect blend of power, luxury, and efficiency. Visit us today at 7-Star Auto Sales to take it for a spin. Your future self will thank you. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, and window defogger.